Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 21st, 2025, and we're diving into Sanuwave's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Sanuwave has just released their Q4 and full year 2024 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their record-breaking revenue figures.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Sanuwave reported a net revenue of $10.3 million for Q4 2024, which is a 47% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this impressive growth?
Absolutely. This quarter marks an all-time high for Sanuwave, with full-year revenues reaching $32.6 million, up 60% from 2023. The primary driver was the Ultramist systems and consumables, which accounted for over 99% of their Q4 revenue. Additionally, their gross margin improved significantly to 77.9%, indicating strong operational efficiencies.
And what about their profitability?
Sanuwave's operating income for Q4 was $2.5 million, a substantial increase from the previous year, thanks to their focus on managing expenses and driving profitable growth.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Sanuwave's Ultramist systems seem to be a significant contributor to their revenue. Can you tell us more about their operational efficiencies and future outlook?
Indeed, they sold 135 Ultramist systems in Q4, up from 79 in the same quarter last year. The consumables revenue also saw a 59% increase, reaching $5.9 million. For 2025, Sanuwave is forecasting revenue growth of 45 to 55% for Q1 and a full-year guidance of $48-50 million, which is quite optimistic.
That's impressive. How do they plan to achieve this growth?
They are ramping up their sales force and strategy to manage larger customers effectively. Their recent uplisting to the NASDAQ Global Market and simplified capital structure also position them well for a breakout year.
Financial challenges and strategic initiatives. Despite the positive revenue growth, Sanuwave reported a net loss of $12.7 million for Q4. What were the main factors behind this?
The net loss was primarily due to changes in the fair value of derivative liabilities and valuation adjustments. However, their adjusted EBITDA improved significantly to $3.7 million, indicating better operational performance.
And they also made some strategic financial moves recently. Can you elaborate on those?
Yes, they completed a 1-for-375 reverse stock split and raised $10.3 million in a private placement. These actions have simplified their capital structure, which should help them focus on growth initiatives moving forward.
CEO's perspective and closing remarks. Let's hear from Sanuwave's leadership. What did CEO Morgan Frank have to say about these results?
Morgan Frank expressed satisfaction with the record quarterly revenue and the company's ability to maintain positive cash flows. He emphasized their strong revenue pipeline and the strategic steps taken to manage larger customers effectively.
Thank you, John, for your insights. To wrap up, Sanuwave has shown remarkable growth and strategic foresight. We look forward to seeing how they capitalize on these opportunities in 2025.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Sanuwave's promising future.
Key takeaways. In summary, Sanuwave has delivered record-breaking revenue figures for Q4 and the full year 2024, with a strong outlook for 2025. Despite some financial challenges, their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies position them well for future growth. Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Sanuwave's performance in the comments below.